Hello balloon mates! Today is my son's 8th birthday celebration. I am making a small balloon decor at this corner for a house where we can take photos of him with his guests. With me now is my daughter who is more excited on the celebration than the celebrant. Okay, I just twist 3 duplets to create a small cluster, and I'm going to use these shades of aquamarine. One is lighter, which is from Decor, and the other one is from Aliexpress. The color is called Tiffany, but I think the Decor aquamarine is much more Tiffany color than the other one. I'm gonna start with the Tiffany. My idea is to put some mini garlands on random parts of my trio arch. This is ideal for person that are minimalist, I think. Here in Italy, most of my Italian clients ask for simple garlands, not some kind of deluxe garland, big balloon decors. It's not a question of budget, I think, but it is more on the simplicity aspect, which this balloon garland, I think, fits that kind of personality. I just twist a pair of balloons over the stand to fix them. And in this video, I am going to use a Tiffany color, aquamarine, silver, and white balloons. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please support me by subscribing and liking this video. Leave a comment, even an emoji or a heart for algorithm purposes. It's such a huge help. I continue adding balloon clusters in places I think it would work. I use 260s to attach some clusters because the Aliexpress balloons have shorter necks. It's hard to tie them with the neck-to-neck technique. I use Aliexpress balloons because this is a setup at home for my son's birthday. But for clients, I only use Decor. I'm not saying that balloons from Aliexpress are terrible. Actually, they look great, but the smell is terrible. But for other reasons like durability, and most of the Aliexpress balloons oxidize faster than the high quality balloons. For this reason, I use Decor for clients, and it's okay to use Aliexpress or Amazon balloons at home or for practice. I secured the number 8 balloon using fishing line. I thought adding small quads at the end of each mini garland is needed to add fluidity to the way it looks. Now the triplet fillers with rubber bands as usual. I like them inflated around 3 inches, really small, because it gives the garland more dimensions in terms of balloon sizes. I noticed that the silver is not properly distributed, so I decided to add some silver clusters on top. There you go, my simple balloon decor for my son's birthday. Hope you like it, and I'll see you on my next video. Ciao!